What's going on, YouTube world? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking more about mobile photography, and I'm going to give you guys 5 tips and tricks you can already do with your phone that's really going to change the way you're taking your photos today. But if you close your eyes. Alright, so let's get started with this video. If you guys are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully at the end of this, you guys are going to want to hit that subscribe button. If you guys are already a subscriber, you know what? Thank you guys so much for all your support. I really appreciate you guys sticking around, taking a little piece of your day to watch my videos. Alright guys, so tip number 1, let's keep your photos simple. A lot of people, when they first start out in photography, they're overcomplicating their photos. They're trying to add too much details into the photo, and it really distracts the viewer from what you're trying to tell as a story. So use one model, use one subject, and really tell your story with just that. Alright guys, so tip number 2 for you guys today is going to be changing your angles. A lot of times when we're taking photos, we're taking them up here or chest height, and it really just gives one perspective to the world. So you know what? Change your angles, get lower, and give your viewers a new perspective of what they're seeing. As you can see in this video, if I get lower, it actually changes what the actual photo is showing. A quick second advantage to shooting lower angles is if you just incorporate just the sky as your background, again, it's going to lead to that simple photo that's not going to distract your viewer. So tip number 3 for you guys today is going to be show depth in your photos. A lot of times when people are taking their photos with their phone, they forget to add this aspect. So I did touch on this in one of my earlier videos, which I'll link above if you guys want to check it out. But an easy way to do this is using leading lines. So you can actually create depth if you attach something from your foreground into your background that's going to actually draw the viewer into the photo. My next tip for you guys is going to be using reflections. We got reflections around us every day. I mean, the easiest way I make reflections is using water. As you can see in a photo like this one here, I use the reflection of the water and I get low enough that I can actually catch the subject and the reflection at the same time. This creates a symmetry in the photo and it really makes dynamics in a powerful image. So my last tip for you guys is going to be about symmetry. So a lot of times we forget this aspect when we're taking our photos, and especially when you're using reflections. The best way to do this is try to make that symmetrical line in the center of the photo. It'll really give dynamics to the photo and just make a beautiful composition. You can also use this as framing. You can set up a subject inside of a frame and actually shoot the subject through the frame. Alright guys, and that's it for today. If you guys found anything in this video helpful at all, make sure you're hitting that like button. If you're not a subscriber, why aren't you? Hit that subscribe button. And until next video, take care everybody.